In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell crypto on the Binance mobile app using your iPhone. If you're looking to convert your cryptocurrency holdings into a stable coin like USDT or another currency of your choice, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently navigate the Binance mobile app and complete a sale with ease. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Binance app on your iPhone. If you haven't already, log in using your credentials, ensure that your account is fully verified, and all security measures are in place to keep your funds safe. If you encounter any issues logging in, double check your username and password, and if necessary, use the password reset feature. Once inside the app, direct your attention to the trade button at the bottom of the screen. By tapping it, you'll be presented with several options, but for the purpose of this tutorial, you'll want to select Spot. This will take you to the trading section where you can execute buy and sell orders. Now that you're in the spot trading section, look for the sell button, usually displayed prominently. Tap on it and then choose the trading pair you wish to sell. For example, if you're holding Bitcoin and want to convert it into USDT, you'd select BTC USDT from the list. Binance supports hundreds of trading pairs, so make sure you select the one that suits your transaction needs. After selecting your trading pair, it's time to choose your order type. If you're looking to make a quick sale at the current market price, you should select a market order. This type of order allows for instantaneous execution, meaning your crypto will sell almost immediately at the best available price. If you're not familiar with different order types, a market order is the simplest and most efficient choice for immediate transactions. Next, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you'd like to sell. You can choose to sell all of it or just a portion, depending on your strategy. Be sure to double check the amount before proceeding to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied with the details, tap the sell button. Once your order is filled, which should happen quickly with a market order, the cryptocurrency you sold is now converted into the selected base currency, such as USDT. You can view your new balance in the wallet section of the Binance app. This updated balance reflects the successful sale of your cryptocurrency. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully sold your cryptocurrency on the Binance mobile app. Practice will make you more proficient, and soon enough, buying and selling will become second nature. If you need extra help or have any questions related to your crypto transactions, Binance offers a variety of resources and customer support options, ensuring you can trade safely and effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.